Hi guys, all of you good evening and welcome back to Jenkins ninth class. Guys, in last class what we have discussed guys, yes I think we have discussed about that backups, thin backup, periodic backup and backup manager. Okay, so in today's class we are going to working with changing the port numbers, changing the port numbers on Tomcat and Jenkins. So once we finish this one, then we will go for installing and configuring Jenkins, sorry, what is that? Java and Maven in one new server. Okay, guys. Now let me show you that how to change the port number in Jenkins. Direct what we where we have installed Jenkins by using install Jenkins command. Okay, guys. See, now it's working fine. Okay, it's the Tomcat method. It's a Tomcat method, and this one is the ll/opt. Okay guys, this is the rpm space -qy Jenkins. See guys, so we have installed by using install Jenkins. Today only we have installed. Okay, successfully it's working guys. Now we want to change the port number. First let me show you in the Tomcat. Yes, systemctl stop. Let me increase some font size. Okay, systemctl stop firewall. Take this IP address, and I think already /opt tomcat bin startup.sh. Let's take this one and come here, open one new tab, just apply here colon 8080. Just hit enter. Just wait guys. I think we have modified this one. Just wait. Okay guys, successfully we got. Now guys, Tomcat working on port number 8080. Now what we are doing, that we are going to modifying this one. Yes, if the interviewer asking the question, or else if you want to change the port number in your real world projects. Okay guys, yes you can change that. Okay, yes, if we want to change the port number, yes, find that server.xml file inside the Tomcat. Inside, sorry, we need to find that and we need to open that file, server.xml file that's located in the conf directory. That conf directory is located inside the Tomcat, and we need to find that where we kept the Tomcat folder. Yes, ll space /opt. So in the opt folder, we kept that Tomcat. See guys, pwd ll. See, now we are inside the opt folder. Now this is the Tomcat directory. Inside this Tomcat, yes, we are having that one folder with the name of conf. Yes, this is the directory. Now open that conf ll, and you can find that server.xml. We need to open this one. Yes, vam server.xml. Okay, see guys. Yes, if we want to change this one, yes. Now guys, make sure that whatever we are going to assigning this port number. Okay, right now I am going to assigning that port number 8090. Guys, before giving this one, before giving and starting this service, make sure that if this port number working with any other services in the same server, if you are going to using this port number on any other services or services, okay, make sure that you should not give the same port number to same both services guys. Okay, that's very important. Okay, now save this one. Yes, now /opt tomcat bin shutdown.sh sh shut down this one. Now just wait guys, just refresh here. This Tomcat already okay gone. It's closed, service closed. Now what we are doing that? Yes, we are going to starting slash opt Tomcat bin startup.sh. Service started, and you can refresh here. Of course, it won't work that. The reason we modified that. We renamed with port number. We changed that port number. So that reason it won't work that. Yes, it came back. Now you can apply the what is the port number we have given? Yes, 8090. Just apply this one. See guys, this is the process. Okay, these are the steps to change port number. Okay guys. Now, okay, so same. And one more, we have installed Jenkins by using yum install Jenkins. That Jenkins also working on the same port number 8080. Yes, systemctl stop firewall D. Yes, IP space. Take this IP address and come here. Launch one new tab. Apply. Yes, 8080. See guys, it's also working fine. Now, if we want to change this one, yes, we can change this. See, Jenkins is working successful. Now, we are going to changing this port number. Yes, now come here. Okay, yes, stop the Jenkins service. Systemctl status Jenkins. See guys, Jenkins work and running. Okay, this is the, just wait guys. This is the service file. This is the service file. Yes, Control C. Yes, VIM. Open this one. Hit the enter. See guys, be careful with this one. It's very important file. See guys, port number is 8080. Now what I'm doing that is 9090. I'm going to assigning that. Here also very important. Be careful with this one. Whenever you are going to changing this port number. Okay. Yes. Save this one. Okay. Yes. System. Let me show you that it is. Okay. Okay. Systemctl stop Jenkins. Yes. Apply this one. Okay. Now systemctl status Jenkins. See guys, inactive, dead, gone. Okay. Now you can just refresh here. See guys, service left from active state. Okay. Now just apply this one. We need to start the service now. Just start here. Systemctl start Jenkins. We'll see that. Is it working on same port number or not? We will see that. Just wait. It will take some time. Okay. Yes, now it has started. It's working fine. Now come here and just refresh here. 8080. See guys, service left from the active state. It's not working because we modified this one. Now come here. What is the port number? 9090. Hit the enter. See. Okay. This is the process to start to change the port number. Okay. Okay, guys. These are the steps to change port numbers. Okay, depends on that method. Depends on that method. So we are having configuration files and the service files. We need to find that particular file and we need to find that port number where it's located. Okay, we need to change that one only. But be careful with these configuration files. If you do any kind of other mistakes, knowingly, unknowingly, maybe the service won't work properly, or it won't that completely. So be careful with these configuration files. Make sure that again and again before modifying that, and better to take the backup before changing these kind of changes. Okay, guys. So fine. Now we are doing that. See, guys. Now I think it's working fine here. Maven also MVN space hyphen version. Yes, Maven command not working. Yes. Let me cat class root dot bash rc. Okay. Yes. Here we are having only git path, and I think already Java is working. Java space hyphen version. Okay. Okay. Now we will concentrate from scratch. Okay, guys. We will install from scratch Java and Maven. Okay, guys. Yes. Let me show you that. Yes, Jenkins install. Okay, we will create one. Okay, let me start one more. See, guys, this is the server. Here we don't have any kind of services inside this. I mean that we didn't install any kind of packages. Okay, even we don't have that Git, Java, Maven, wget. Okay, yes, 147. Yes, root, and let me increase font size. Yes. Okay. Yes. Host name. Okay. Local host, local domain. Next, wget. So I think already we have installed in the main OS, guys. I mean that in the first in this we have installed inside this only. After installing, we are going to cloning every machine from this machine. So that reason we are getting by default this wget, and I think VAM also we are having. Yes, already it's installed, and tar also yes we have installed. Okay, next unzip also yes we have installed. Okay, and make also installed. Okay, so already we have installed, but we don't have that git space hyphen version. See, guys, we don't have that git. Okay, now Java space hyphen version and mvn space hyphen version. Here we don't have that paths. Now, guys, what we are doing that? Now we are going to installing Git and Java and Maven. Okay, guys. Yes, in this mission, I think already we are having that cd/opt. Yes, mvn space hyphen version. Already we are having. See, guys, 3.9.6 and okay. So already we are having software here. You need not to download. Guys, here one more new concept in today's session. I think we didn't discuss about this one. Okay. Now, see, guys, interview question. What is the command to copy a file or directory? Guys, what is the command to copy a file?
CP.
CP command.
CP space file.
File name. space destination. Okay, target. You got it now? Now, I want to copy a file. I want to copy a file from one server to another server. How you can copy the file from one server to another server? Yes, guys. I think already we have used these commands. Already we used this command, but maybe you forgot about that. Okay. It's very important. Actually, in real time, yes, we are having one server. It's calling as a M server. Yes, M private server. Private M server or local private server. Okay, guys. Inside this server, what we are doing that we are going to placing all softwares inside this. Inside this, we are placing, for example, okay, yes, it's one package or one software. It's another software. See, guys, like this we are having softwares. So we are having software. So this is our local server, our company server. Now what we are doing that? So these all are the production servers. Prod 1, production server 1. Okay, guys. Yes, it's not working. Yes, let me copy. See, guys, these all are the production servers. Inside that production server, maybe we are having build server, SCM server, test server, and DB server, web server. Okay, like that we are having different servers. Now, I want to install a package. Inside this server. Now, I want to install what is that? Java. Inside this machine, I want to install Java. Okay, guys. Yes. How we can install? These servers are not having internet connection. I mean that these servers are not having permission to access internet. Okay, these servers request from these servers, whatever we are going to requesting, those requests should not go out from this our company network environment. It's restricted, network restricted. But if we want to install, yes, we can install by applying that yum install Java or yum install Git or yum install Maven, or we can do like that. How it works? Okay, guys, just imagine it. So whatever you are seeing this white, okay, okay, total page is our network. This is our network. So inside this network, yes, we are maintaining one repository server, M repo server. So inside this we are placing, yes, this server having network. Yes, we can access network to this server. But these servers, remaining servers, are not having network connection. It's blocked. Okay, reason, security reasons. Okay. So now if we want to install package inside this one, whenever you apply the command inside mission, the request goes to request goes to this M server. Okay, guys. So whatever the package is available, yes, it will come into this server directly. It will install inside this mission. Okay, guys, like this. In real time, we are doing that. In real time, we are doing that. Now, same, for example, just imagine it. This M server also not having permission to access internet. This M server also not having permission to access internet. One more, we are having one jump server. We are having. This is the jump server. So what we are doing that? Yes, it's connected to internet. So now what we are doing that? We are going to downloading the packages. We are going to downloading these packages. Now, after downloading this package, I want to copy this package from this server to this M server. You got it now? Guys, you got it now my point? In case if that M server not having internet connection to access internet or to download any kind of packages or softwares directly, yes, what we can, yes, we are having one more server in network connected mission. Now we are entering into this mission. We are going to downloading the package and placing here. After that, we are copying this package from our local networks. With our local network, we are going to copying into and placing into this server. Okay, guys, we can copy this package. How we can? If we want to copy this one, yes, we are having one more command that's calling as a SCP. Yes, SCP, secure copy. So we are using secure copy. But if you want to copy this one, if you want to copy the files from one server to another server, yes, there are two methods. Yes, we can copy the files with the password and with passwordless. We can copy the files with the password and without password also we can copy. So how we can copy the files with password? When we can copy the files from one server to another server with the password? See guys, for example, now what we are doing that we are sending the file from this server to this server. So whenever we are having that SSH configuration in between, whenever we are having passwordless configuration in between these servers, yes, we can copy the files from this server to this server. If we have configured vice versa, yes, we can copy the files from this server to this server. But we should have that SSH. We have configured passwordless configuration. Okay, guys, we can copy the file without password. But whenever we haven't configured passwordless, that time we need to apply that password to copy the file from one server to another server. Now here we are having servers. See guys, 128 is the server. Inside this server we are having all packages and files. Now my intention, my requirement is I want to copy which one? This Maven and JDK. Okay guys, we want to copy this JDK and Maven. No need the Tomcat. No need the Tomcat for this time. We are going to concentrating how we are going to installing Java and how we are going to installing Maven. Okay guys, we will see that guys. Just 1 minute. Okay guys, now see, let me show you that. Just guys, we will see that, yes, we will discuss and I'll show that how we can copy the file without password and with password. Here we are having two files. We need to be copied two files. One is the JDK file and one is the Apache Maven file. So in one case, I'll show that how to copy the file with password. And in another case, I'll show that how to copy the file without password. Okay guys, now, so we haven't configured passwordless. So let me show you that. Yes, how we can see that? Yes, SSH. If you want to connect from one server to another server remotely, yes, you can. See guys, this is the server. 147 is the this server, and 128 is the this server. Now paste here, apply that. See guys, it's asking that. Okay, it will copy one file, authentication file. See guys, now it will ask the password. It will ask the password. Now we connected into this server. Now we are here. See guys. Okay. Now we are inside this one. Now come here. Yes. cd/opt ll. Now you can see guys. mkdir software. Yes, ll. Now you can see the same directory inside this opt. cd/opt ll. See guys. Inside this we don't have that anything. Yes, ll. See, cd space double dot. Now what I'm doing that rm space -rf software. So I have deleted in the target mission in the original location. Now you can come here, you can apply that. See guys, it's not available. Now I'm coming out from this server. Cursor, physically the cursor is located inside this one. Okay, cursor, this is the tab, but the cursor is located inside this server. Okay, now I'm coming out from this mission. See guys, now I'm inside this server. IP space A, see 128. Okay, now again I'm logging into this mission. Again I'm entering into this mission. Yes, apply that SSH. See guys, again it's asking password. Yes, whenever you try to log into that mission 147, always it will ask the password until when we will configure passwordless authentication. Until when we configure passwordless configuration, it will ask the password. Once you configure passwordless, it won't ask the password. Now see, apply that password. Okay, localhost. Yes, IP space A. Now you can see guys 147. Now the cursor inside is 147. Now what I'm doing that, now I'm going to copying one file from this Jenkins server to this 147. This 147. Now let me copy. Yes, SCP secure copy. Yes, your file name. Now I'm going to copy this one. Space username root @ that server IP address. Server IP address. Now where you want to place inside this mission? Yes, I want to place in the OPT folder. In the target mission, I want to place inside this OPT folder. Now come here. LL. See guys, nothing inside this mission. Now apply this. Hit the enter. Yes, it's asking password to copy the file. It's a password based. Okay. If you don't want to ask that password, we need to configure passwordless. Okay. At present, we didn't configure. I'll show you that how to configure passwordless also. See guys, this is the process. Okay. But if you want to copy the file, on the host name, by the host name, if you want to configure, if you want to copy the file by using host name, yes, take this host name at present. Okay, host name. Okay, yes, we can't copy this one. We can't copy by this one. Okay, come here, just paste here. See guys. Yes, apply that. Yes. Yes, of course, it's in the network. It's in the network. Okay. But once you rename that, you can't that. By password, we can send that file. But with passwordless, we can't. We should have that. See guys. Still we are having one same. Okay. It's copied, but where it's gone? Where we kept guys? See, it didn't come. Okay. So okay, just wait. So which one? Yes, same one we have taken, no? So that region. Yes. Tomcat, take this one. Yes. Yes, password. See guys, it's asking password. Now come here. Just apply this one. See, that's the problem here. So what we have to do? We need to configure local DNS. We need to configure local DNS. Local DNS means, so from where you are going to copying? Yes, I am copying from this server to this server. So now if I want to send the file by the host name, what I have to do is inside this mission, in the sender mission, we need to configure local DNS. Inside that local DNS file, we need to take this file, we need to take this IP, this server IP address and its host name. We need to take this server IP address and its host name. We need to add into this sender mission local DNS configuration file. Now let me show you that how we can. Yes, first of all, let me set that host name ctl set-host name. Yes, what is that? Jenkins, build server. I'm saying that build server. Okay guys, hit the enter. exec bash. Now see guys, host name. Okay, now we are taking this host name. Take this one and come into this mission. Yes, sender mission vam/etc host. Okay, we need to say yes, this is the local DNS file. Yes, apply here. What is the IP address? 192.168.67.147. Apply that tab. Yes, now save this one guys. Okay, now you can try to copy this one. Yes, what is the host name? Yes, come here. Yes, copy this one and paste here. Apply here. Yes, yes, and apply the password. Now you can come here. Just you can see that. See guys, this is the process. So the important thing is we need to configure local DNS from in the sender server. From where we are sending the file, inside that server we need to configure DNS. But you can't send the file from 147 to 128. Yes, you can send by IP address, but you can't send by host name. If you want to send by host name, what we have to do? Same like this. Here also cat space /etc host. See guys, it's empty here. We need to add this server IP address and its host name inside this mission like this. How we added inside this mission? Yes, we need to add like this. Then only we can send the file. Like that, if you want to send the files from one server to multiple server, for example, if you want to send the file from this mission to this mission, what we have to do? We need to take this IP address and its host name, and we need to be added inside this /etc host file. Okay guys, otherwise we should have that global, our centralized DNS. See guys, now again, so if you want to send the files from this server to these 4 servers, so what we have to do? We need to take this IP address and the host name and to be added inside this /etc host file with password. Okay guys, right now we are going to discussing about that password with password. Now if we want to copy the file, without password, okay guys, now let me show you that once again. Yes, what is the file? Yes, I am trying to copy the file. Yes, GIT. tar.gz. See guys, again it will ask the password. Say I don't want to enter that password. I don't want to enter that password. Now I'm going to canceling this one. See guys, we cancelled this one. See, again it's asking that. So now I don't want to apply password for copying the file from one server to another server. So in this case, what I have to do? Yes, I need to generate one SSH key. Before that, we need to configure DNS. Of course, already I have configured for this server. Already we have configured DNS. Now what we have to do? We need to generate SSH key inside this machine, in the sender machine. Then we need to share that key to that target machine. So which machine you want to copy the file? To share that key to inside that machine. Now guys, yes, of course already we are having that ll space / root dot ssh. See guys, here we don't have that keys. Now what we have to do? We need to generate that key. Yes, if we want to generate that key, ssh-key gen, hit the enter. Just wait, again hit the enter, again hit the enter, again hit the enter. By default, these two keys placed inside this .ssh. This .ssh directory located inside this root. Now you can apply the command again. See guys. Now we need to take this key and copy to this target mission. 147 is the target mission. 128 is the source mission. In the 128 we have created this SSH key. Now we are copying this key to 147. If we want to copy individually, yes. See guys, ssh-copy -id space -i tilde, this means root / .ssh id underscore rsa.pub Now we are copying this file by this command to 147. What is the IP address? 192.168.67.147. See guys, hit the enter. Now it will ask the password. It's a one-time password. It won't ask that again and again. This is the first and final password asking. So whenever you remove that key, then it will ask that. Until when you remove that key, it won't ask the password. But once you remove or once you regenerate with a new key, from the time it will ask the password. Now, see guys, we have copied. Okay, we have copied key. Now, if you want to copy the files by the host name, so what we have to do? We need to apply the come here host name. Be careful with this one. Of course, you have that confidence. Okay, better to copy this one. Copy and paste. Don't try to apply manually. I mean that you are okay over confidence or by confidence. That's not correct. Better to copy and paste to avoid confusion and configuration mistakes. Now see guys. Now try to join into that target mission without password 192.168.67.147. See guys, it won't ask the password. It didn't ask the password. Okay, it should not ask you password once you configure passwordless authentication. Okay, if it is configured successfully, yes, it won't ask the password. Now we are inside that build server. Now cd space / opt ll. See guys, this is the build server. You can build a server. Okay guys, see. Now you can see here same one. Yes, remove that rm space -rf. What I'm doing that I'm going to deleting all files. rm space -rf. I didn't apply that hyphen, so that reason gone wrong. Okay guys, now see guys, successfully we have removed. Now what I will do that, yes, I'm coming out from here. Yes, we removed that. Now we have deleted. Now see guys, now once again I'm going to copying files without password. Okay, without asking password. Yes, copy this one and okay, We don't want that Tomcat. We need only Git, and yes, we can copy at a time. Yes, root @ build server, only build server. No, we didn't apply that .com/opt. Something went wrong. Just wait, guys. Okay, we didn't apply that. No, yes, SCP. Okay, now hit the enter. Connection closed. Name or service unknown. Okay, spelling mistake. I think spelling mistake, guys. That's the problem here. Just come here. Yes, host name. Okay, spelling mistake. See, guys, here we don't have that build. Just we named that build. Okay, yes, copy this one. Yes, now come here. Now it's copying that without password. It's not asking password because we have configured passwordless authentication. Now successfully we have copied. Now you can come here. Just see, guys, this is the process to copy the files from one server to another server by using password and by using without password. With password, without password, we can copy the files. If you want to copy the files without password, what we have to do? Yes, we should have that passwordless authentication. Then only we can copy the files from one server to another server. Okay, guys. Okay, this is the process to copy files from one server to another server. Next, coming to Java path and Maven path setting. Java path setting and Maven path setting. Okay, guys. Slowly, yes. Now, let me show you that if you want to extract all these files at a time, one by one, yes, VIM. Just copy these three. Yes, VIM. So what we are doing that, yes, we are going to extracting, guys, VIM. Yes, what is that? DevOps softwares shell.sh is mandatory. Yes, now, okay, so apply here. Yes, remove this.
Ravi, are you audible?
Guys, are you audible me?
Now you are audible.
So, how much we are having time gap in between you and me on the voice?
No, that too few seconds, but suddenly
Okay,
it got silent. Yeah.
okay, maybe some network issue. Okay, fine. Now, so okay, what we are doing that we are going to generating one script. Yes, it's calling as a cbang. It's calling as a shebang. Yes, /bin/bash. Barn again shell. We are using bash shell. Bash mean barn again shell. Okay. Now I think already we have installed yum and wget and we have installed. Now what we are doing that we are going to extracting. Yes, tar space hyphen xvf. Next again tar space hyphen xvf. Yes, tar space hyphen xvf. These are the future reference purpose. Okay. Now, so what we are doing that we are entering into git cd git. Sorry. Where we are having is cd git. Next, now what we are doing that we are going to make prefix equals to /usr local git all. Okay. Yes, install. Now what we are doing that, so we are going to exporting that. Yes, export path equals to $path $usr local git bin. And before that we should have that packages. What are those packages? Yum install curl devel expat devel. Next get text devel. Next open ssl devel and zlib devel space y. Next, so yum install guys, so please find that any mistake, spelling mistake. Okay, gcc. Next, perl ext utils maker y. Okay, now, so now you can apply that git space version. Just we are going to setting that only Java, sorry, git path. Now coming to, if you want to set that, just let me, okay, show you this one step. So already we have downloaded, guys. Already we have downloaded Git. Okay. So no need to download this one. Escape shift colon WQ. Now LL. Now we are giving that permission to execute. Okay. chmod u plus x. Execute permissions important. Okay. Now you can see, guys, after giving that permission, see automatically it will change that color. Now we are going to executing this file // file name. Yes, run this one. Extracted. JDK extracted. Almost over. Just wait, guys. Is now what it's doing that? Now it's going to downloading that Git. It's working Git. Now if you want to see that, yes, apply one more new tab in the same server. Yes, /root. Yes, guys. Slowly we will discuss about that. What that, guys? Shell scripting. Yes, now cd /opt ll. See, guys, it's extracted. Okay. Now what we are doing there is, if you rename that, it will do that itself. Now what is doing that? Yes, it's going to installing that GCC. It's a downloading and installing that. Now, yes, total 90 MB with this speed. Now come here, guys. Now we are going to renaming this one. You are going to rename MV space Apache Maven space Maven. Okay, apply this one. See guys, we renamed this one. Now what we are doing that we are going to setting that Java path. We are going to setting Java path. Okay guys, how we can set that Java path? Yes, first of all we need to find that where it's located. We need to find that where it's located. Okay guys. Guys, are you there? Are you audible me?
Yes, Ravi,
Yes,
you are
yes, sir.
audible. Yes.
Okay. Now, okay. Yes. So where it's located? Yes. Take this one. Yes. CD, JDK. Yes. PWD. Take this one. This is the home path. This is the home path. Inside this, we are having bin. If you select this one bin, this is the executable. But guys, this is the executable path. Okay. Whenever you are choosing this bin, the time it's calling as the executable path. Whenever you are taking only up to here, it's calling as a home path. Now what we are doing that we are going to setting that home path and executable path for Java. Okay guys, now apply that Java space hyphen version, no chance. Okay guys, because we haven't configured, we need to be set that path inside that bash RC or bash profile or any one file. You can put it and just apply that source command. Still the Git going to installing. Forget about that Git. We are in next step. Now take this path, copy this one, and open Notepad. Yes, paste here, and again paste here. Yes, remove this one. See guys, this is the home path, and this is the executable path. Now what we are doing that? Now we should have that two paths. Two. One is the Java home path. We should have that home path, and this is the home and path. We should have both. So we need to add for Java underscore home. Java underscore home. This is the home path. Now we need to say that where it's located. Yes, this one. Take this one. Java underscore home equals to. Okay. Now we need to set that path. Which path? Executable path. If we want to set that path, yes, path equals to $path colon. Yes, where it's located? Yes, take this one. Yes. Okay, guys. If we want to put into inside this one, yes, we need to apply that export, and for both, for every path, yes, we need to apply this one. Yes, path. Okay. Now, let me set this path. Copy this one and move to mission. Yes, where we need to set this inside this bash RC file. VAM // dot bash RC or bash profile. We are having both. Yes, you can choose any one. Now come here. Already I told that be careful with this one. Okay, just come to the end of the document and give the small space and apply here. Be in the insert mode and apply that. See guys. Yes, apply that escape, shift to colon, WQ. Now apply the source command. Yes, Java space hyphen version. See guys, successfully it's working. Okay, before setting that path, Java command not found. After setting, yes, Java is working. Same like that, we need to set Maven path also. Now come here, same once again. Yes, come back. Again, come back. Yes, CD Maven, PWD. Yes, take this path. And here also we are having that bin. Okay, for Maven also we need to be set that bin path. CD bin Yes, pwd. Yes, take this path. Copy this one. Again, paste here. Paste it. Yes, remove for one. Yes, now come here. So what we have to do? Yes, m2 maven 2 maven 2. Okay, m2 underscore home. Be careful with capital. It's 100% capital. Okay. Yes, slash opt maven. Maven home path is slash opt maven. Next, you come to executable path. Executable path. Okay, guys. Yes, path equals to yes dollar path colon. Okay, guys. This is the path, and you can put one more like this. Yes, how we can put? Yes, first of all, m2 underscore home, m2 underscore home, just equals, just now remove this one. Yes, now. So what we can, again we are going to simplifying this. m2 equals to dollar, is which one? This m2. Copy this one. Little bit is heavyweight, but previous one is the better one and easy. Yes, colon bin. Okay, colon bin. Inside this here we are having bin now. This is the bin. Now what we are doing that once again, yes, we are going to setting that now path. It's not a executable path. Yes, we should have this word. We should have this word to execute every software. Okay, equals to now dollar path colon dollar m2 dollar. You need to call this one. Which one? These two. So now you tell me, guys, which one is the easy one? Okay. Yes. Now remove this one. Yes, you can set like this. Finally, you need to apply that export. Yes, copy this one. Yes. So you can choose anyone. You can choose anyone, but it's very important with the spelling and the spaces and whatever we are having special characters and all. That's very important. Now you can decide to set path either this one or this one. That's your wish. Now what I'm doing that I am going to put in this one. Yes, copy this one. Okay. Yes, now come here again. VAM tilde slash dot bash RC. Yes, be careful with this one. You should not disturb. Again, give the space. Now escape shift to colon W. Now again apply that source. Without source, yes, you can't work with mvn space hyphen. See, guys. Okay. Now apply the source command. If you have any mistake, if we did any mistake, Maven won't work. Okay, if it is successfully or if it is correct, yes, we can get that answer. mvn space hyphen version. Successful, guys. See, this is the process to set Java path and Maven path. Okay, guys. Next, of course, still we are having one more. We need to be set that path, git path. Okay, guys. So inside that script, I think we have chosen that what is the okay, we have downloaded 2.42, so that reason it's working. Now we need to set that path again in the bash archive file. It's a temporary. Once you reboot this mission, Git won't work, but Java and Maven both it will work. Okay, guys. Now what we are doing that? Yes, again in the same file. Yes, come here. Yes, export path equals to dollar path colon our git path where we kept that executable path. See, guys, see, it's not a home path, it's executable path. Yes, what is that? Slash usr local git bin. Bin is mandatory for executable. You can see wherever we kept that path. Okay, In every place we are having that bin. That's very, very important. Now escape, shift to colon W. Okay guys, now you can apply that source. Yes, git space. Of course it will work right now because temporary. Okay, this is the new tab. Inside this tab it won't work. That yes, apply that source. Now you can apply that git space hyphen. See guys, this is the process to set pass and installing softwares. First of all, you need to download the softwares. You need to install the softwares. After that, you need to set the pass. Then only we can work with those packages or those softwares. Until that, we can't. Of course, with some packages after installing, yes, we can work with it directly. After installing, okay, we can work with those softwares directly without setting pass. Okay, guys. These are the important steps to install and configure and setting the pass. Okay, now coming to Maven. Okay, Maven is a build tool. Maven is a build tool. Okay, it is used for to test the code, to validate the code, to compile the code, to build the code, and to deploy the code, to install the packages, whatever the plugins required for Maven. Maven having three life cycles. One is the build or default life cycle. One is the build or default life cycle. And the second one is the clean life cycle. And the third one is the site life cycle. Maven having three life cycles. One is the default or build life cycle. And the second one is the clean. And the third one is the site. Okay. But priority goes to build or default life cycle, because this life cycle having most of the Maven phases like this. If you want to compile the code, or if you want to validate the code, if you want to test the code, or if you want to build the code, or if you want to deploy the code, okay, depends on that Maven phases, we can execute it. Okay, in tomorrow's session we will discuss about that Maven. Okay, so what is the Maven, how it works, what are the build life cycle, what are the types of Maven phases, what is the difference between clean and build and site. Okay, in tomorrow's session I'll show that. But in today's session I'll show you that how to execute the Maven commands by using Maven. Okay, first of all we should have the code. So this is my repository. Okay, this is my repository. I have the code here. Okay guys, here I have some code. See, this is the source code repository. Inside this we are having, yes, now come here, servlet. See guys, these are the Java files. Now we are going to compiling these files. Okay, we are going to compiling, we are going to validating, we are going to testing. And if we want to do these kind of activities, if you want to compile, validate, test, build, yes, those Maven pages should have some required plugins. If you want to validate, if you want to test, or if you want to build, or if you want to deploy, for doing these activities, Maven should have some prerequisites. Those prerequisites are calling as the plugins. Okay, if we don't have those plugins, we can't validate, we can't test, we can't compile, we can't package, and we can deploy. So that reason what we are doing, that we are going to downloading those plugins by using Maven install. By using MVN install, we are going to downloading. Depends on that command. Whenever we are applying that, for example, if you want to compile this code, whatever the required plugins for compiling this Java source code, yes, immediately the Maven will download the plugins from source to our local machine. Then it will try to compile these activities, whatever we have given that goal. Okay, in tomorrow class we will discuss, okay, some more in-depth level. Okay, but today let me show you that one sample test case. Now if we want to get this code, what we have to do, guys? Yes, we can just take this one. I'm not going to adding that key. Just I'm going to just wait, guys. Just copy this link address. Now come here. Yes, be in the OPT folder. Yes, now come here. Yes, what I'm doing that. Yes, wget already we have installed and paste here with the enter. Okay, guys. Successfully we have downloaded. What is that? So this is the main. Now unzip. Yes, main data zip. So we have extracted. Now come here. Open that. Open that. What is that? Maven project main. This is the directory. Yes, open this one. Yes, and see guys, here we are having source code. This is the source code. Yes, this is another method without cloning from GitHub to local machine. Now what we are doing that, guys? This is the very important. It's the first key role. It's playing main key role in this entire Maven project. Okay, we need to be discussed on that file separately. We need to be considered much more on that file. We'll discuss, guys. Okay, but just observe that one. Now what we are doing that? Okay, inside this SRC, see guys, once you compile, once you apply that Maven goal, we will get one more file or one more directory with the name of target. In the same place, in the same directory, we will get one more directory with the name of target. When we will get that, Maven it will create that directory with the name of target. Inside the target, so based on our goals, it will place the files. Okay, now let me show you that. First of all, mvn is a test. Now what I am doing that, we are going to testing the code which is located inside this SRC. Now let me show you that once again. cd src ll cd ll cd srk ll cd servlet ll see guys, these are the files. Now we are going to compiling by one single command. You need not to compile yes java space delete student. We can't compile like that because this program link to one program to another program. So Maven it will take care about these all programs. It will take responsibility to compile all programs itself. So we need not to worry about that. What we have to do? Yes, we need to apply the command, but you should be inside the pom.xml location. Where is the pom.xml location? Where is the pom.xml file? The pom.xml file located inside this directory. Which directory? Maven project main. So the cursor should be, or you should be inside that Maven project or that artifact repository name. Now come back one step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 steps. Oh, now cd pwd. See guys, ll. Now the pom.xml is here. Now what we are doing that? First of all, we are going to validating. First of all, let me show you that mvn space validate. This is the Maven goal or Maven phase. Okay, so what we are doing that? We are going to validating this entire project repository. See guys, success. Okay, next mvn. Now you can see guys. See, we didn't get that directory. Observe this one. For this command, for validation purpose, by the validate command, we didn't get that target directory. Now what we are doing that mvn test. We are going to testing this one. See guys, it will take some time. Now see guys, it's going to downloading the required plugins for doing test cases. So it will download only one time. Once it will download, it won't download again and again. Okay, see guys, test it. Now see guys, we got one more directory, the name of target. Now let me show you that what is the inside the target directory. See guys, compiled. It's compiled because that every .java file, after testing or after compiling, we will get one more file with the name of the program name dot class. See guys, cd srk ll cd servlets. See guys, dot class file. Okay. Of course, for this time we are having only 5 files. If you have 1000 files, 1 lakh files, one file, yes, it will compile. But it's already 100% tested code. 100% tested code. There is no any kind of bugs inside this source code. Okay, guys. There is no any kind of bugs inside this source code. So that reason we have compiled it successfully. If is there any error, 100% it will throw that error. Now let me go back again. This is cd. Yes, one more step. See guys. Now what we are doing that we are going to creating package. Now we are going to creating this package with the help of mvn package. See guys. Again, whatever the prerequisites for this doing this package build, it will download that all required plugins. See guys. Successful. It's built successfully. Now you can come back once again in the target directory. See guys, this is the package. This is the executable package. This is the executable package. We have converted the package command. It will do depends on that pom.xml action. So inside this, see guys, this is the .var file. How it will create that based on that pom.xml. Based on that pom.xml, vam pom.xml. Sorry. Yes, go back one step. vam pom.xml. See guys, inside this, yes, we have specified here .var. Yes, this is the artifact name. You can see here. Say CloudGen, C capital, whatever we have mentioned, 1.0 hyphen snapshot dot where automatically it will create that. See, artifact ID. Guys, these are very important. What is that artifact? Okay, what is that artifact version? What is that packaging? Okay, and what are the prerequisites for doing this all? This is very, very important. See guys, okay, we will discuss later on that. But in today's case, yes, you need to understand what we are doing right now. See guys, now this is the executable package. This is the executable package. Now come back. Now ll. If you want to deploy that artifact, we should have any one web application server. If you want to execute that application, we should have any one web application server. Otherwise, you can't. Now where we are having is inside this server we are having web application. Inside this server we are having web application. LL. What is this one? This is the Tomcat. Tomcat is the web application server. Of course, inside this web application server, one Jenkins server is running. Now what we are doing that we are going to deploying one more application inside this Tomcat. Let me show you this. This is the Tomcat. Yes, log in into this one. Yes, username is admin and password is admin. Yes, save this one. See guys, train booking already we are having. This is one application, and no, one more that. Okay, of course we are having this one. Now what we are doing that? We are going to copying that application. Let me copy that application. See guys, now what we are doing before what we did guys, we copied the files from 128 to 147 with passwordless and with password. Now if you want to copy this one, yes, we can copy the file with password, without password. But okay, for passwordless configuration it will take some more time. We need to be spent, but I'm not going to concentrating with passwordless. I'm going to concentrating with password. Okay, let me copy this one. And before that, cd, yes, come here, sorry. Yes, so cd target, just I'm going to renaming that mv, yes, CloudGen dot var. That's very important. LL. Now we are going to copying this one, guys. We are going to copying this one. Yes, what is the command? SCP dot var. Yes, root at the rate. What is the IP address? 128. 128. So inside that 128, where we need to place that is /opt Tomcat web apps. Okay, guys. Inside this web app directory, just let me show you that cd Tomcat web apps. See, guys, here we are having only what is that? Train book and what is that? Jenkins.var. We don't have that CloudGen. Okay, now what we are doing that we are going to copying that one. Yes, hit the enter. Now it will ask. So guys, what happened? No such file or
Web app spelling wrong. Web apps.
web app. Okay. Yes. Okay. Just hit the enter. Again. SCP. Just wait, guys. Good. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. Yes, apply that. Okay. Now you can see, guys. Come here. See, guys. It's extracted already. Now you can come here, Tomcat into location. See, guys. Here we don't have that. Just replace here. Just wait. See, guys. State is true. This is very important. Running state is true. Now you can click on this one. Just wait. See, guys. This is the application. Of course, one small sample application. This is the process. This is the process to run or to build application. Okay, guys. So the remaining concepts, still we are having some more concepts on the Maven. We need to be discussed about that. What is that Maven? What are the Maven goals and what is that pom.xml? What is the importance of pom.xml? And what are the roles and responsibility of the DevOps engineer as a build engineer? What we are going to doing by using pom.xml and Maven. Okay, what we should have kind of experience. Okay, what kind of experience we should have on Maven as a DevOps engineer or else as a build and release engineer or build engineer. Okay, guys, we'll discuss in tomorrow's session. Okay, yes, finally, let me know, guys, if you have any doubt.